Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a hybrid spotlight on a very beautiful plant, which is Nepenthes Mirabilis by Veitchii. So this is a cross between Nepenthes Mirabilis and Nepenthes Veitchii. So first we're going to take a look at the leaves. You can see that the leaves are pretty similar to a Veitchii hybrid. Most Veitchii hybrids have a bit of fuzzy on the leaves, and it's also pretty similar to Mirabilis as it has this elongate leaves with some of the lines on there, and it's very beautiful. In terms of the pictures, we have the lid. It has beautiful speckles on it. You can see the speckles on the lid right now, and that's from the Veitchii. And we also have some of that striping, which also comes from Veitchii. Mirabilis doesn't tend to have a lot of stripes and a white peristome like this, so the Veitchii just adds more color and a lot of good distinctive features to it. We also have these beautiful wings, which I can agree that they come from the Veitchii mostly. And this plant is a very fast and easy grower too. Let's first talk about how in which conditions you can grow them. So we are on Tom's Carnivore's Nepenthes calculator right now, and we're going to take a look at Nepenthes Mirabilis Veitchii. First, let's see on Nepenthes Mirabilis. You can see it grows from 0 to 1,500 meters above sea level, and this is Nepenthes Mirabilis Verbosa, and this one has actually a very wide range, pretty similar to Veitchii, because Veitchii has a distribution from 0 to 1,600 meters above sea level. So yeah, if you cross Nepenthes Mirabilis and Veitchii, it's just gonna give somewhere between 0 and 1,550 meters above sea level. So the best temperature should be around the daytime should be 25 to 31, and the night should be from 16 to 22. But I'm currently in the lowland area. I'm in the city, so they can get a lot warmer nights, and it doesn't need to be completely chilling or way too hot, as these plants have a very wide range and very good tolerance. So this plant is very easy to grow. Nepenthes mirabilis usually grows in swamps, while Veitchii grows on the mountains in mossy places. So this plant just needs a bit of watering, usually once per day. But if you're way too busy, you can use a small tray or a place to store water at the bottom so that the plant can constantly get water. And this plant isn't as vulnerable to root rot or as slow growing as Veitchii. This one is actually very quick, only 1 or 2 weeks to make a pitcher or a leaf, so you can easily get one anywhere and grow it very good. So now we're gonna get a look on various clones of Mirabilis Veitchii. So the clone I had was a very stripy and pinkish form. There are other forms too. For example, this one with a speckly pitcher body and a red peristome. We also have a winged variant, which is very beautiful. This is another clone. It has stripes and a fairly nice body, even though it isn't as beautiful as this clone from my video. So there are so much other clones. So in Vietnam, we call this clone the clone 1, and the clone I have is clone 2, which is a rarer and more expensive variant. You can see there are so much more. This is a variegated one too. This is pretty nice. In the end, this is a very beautiful and cheap hybrid. You can see the prices are very good, And in conclusion, Nepenthes Mirabilis Veitchii is a cheap, beautiful, fast-growing, and robust hybrid that will work with you pretty much anywhere except for ultra-highland conditions, and that's why this is one of the best beginner hybrids. Thank you for listening.